Imagine a world where agreements are automatically enforced. No more disputes, just instant and secure transactions. This is the promise of smart contracts reshaping how we do business. Built on blockchain, they offer security and transparency. Smart contracts are self-executing with terms in code. This code on a decentralized network enforces terms without a middleman. Their impact spans supply chain to healthcare and beyond. At their core, smart contracts are digital agreements stored and replicated across a blockchain network. Unlike traditional contracts, smart contracts automatically execute terms when conditions are met. Think of them as digital vending machines. You insert payment and the machine dispenses the product. This automation is enabled by blockchain technology. Blockchains ensure transparency, security, and tamper-proof execution. Once deployed, a smart contract's code cannot be altered. Imagine a simple agreement. Alice wants to buy a digital artwork from Bob. With a smart contract, they can automate this transaction securely and efficiently. First, the terms of the agreement are coded into the smart contract. Alice will send a certain amount of cryptocurrency to Bob, and upon receipt of the payment, the ownership of the digital artwork will automatically transfer to Alice. This smart contract is then deployed on a blockchain network such as Ethereum, which is renowned for its smart contract functionality. Once deployed, the contract awaits the fulfillment of the predefined conditions. When Alice initiates the transaction by sending the agreed-upon payment, the smart contract springs to life. The blockchain network verifies the transaction, ensuring that Alice has sufficient funds and that the terms of the contract are met. Once verified, the smart contract executes the transfer of ownership, automatically sending the digital artwork to Alice's digital wallet. The entire process occurs seamlessly and securely without the need for any intermediaries or the risk of fraud. Section 4. Real-world applications. Smart contracts in action. The potential applications of smart contracts are vast and span across various industries. In supply chain management, for instance, smart contracts can track the movement of goods, automate payments, and ensure transparency at every stage of the process. Imagine a shipment of coffee beans from a farmer in Colombia to a roastery in London. A smart contract could be programmed to track the shipment's progress, automatically releasing payments to the farmer upon verification of delivery at each checkpoint. This not only streamlines the payment process, but also provides real-time visibility into the supply chain, reducing the risk of delays, disputes, and fraud. In the realm of finance, smart contracts are being used to create decentralized exchanges, automate insurance claims, and facilitate peer-to-peer lending. For example, a smart contract could be used to create a decentralized insurance platform where claims are automatically processed and paid out based on pre-agreed conditions such as weather data or flight delays. Section 5. A glimpse into the future. The potential of smart contracts. As blockchain technology evolves, the future of smart contracts appears brighter than ever. They can automate agreements, enhance transparency, and reduce intermediaries, revolutionizing industries and daily life. In healthcare, they securely store and share medical records, ensuring privacy and collaboration. In law, they automate wills and property transfers, reducing legal proceedings. Smart contracts foster a more equitable digital economy, empowering individuals and small businesses. Crypto Inspector is out.